Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. Oh, I'm so honored to be here with you. So this is an unboxing video, and I have three packages that have come in that I would love to share with you. So if you'd like to see what's arrived, I would love it. Two of the packages are a complete surprise, and one of them are some products I ordered that you might like as well. So let me show them to you. All right, let's see. This one came in. So let's see. I'm so excited. Okay, okay. Ooh, what is this? Oh, how lovely. Let me get my glasses. There's a card. Beautiful card. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. It was my birthday just a bit ago in the beginning of January, January 6th. So happy birthday, Queen Bee. This is glorious. And it's, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's got like sparkles in it. Oh, it's just glorious. And thank you, Kat. I love this. This is from Kat, beautiful Kat. So we had our goddess course from the summer solstice to the winter solstice of 2022. And in the course, we had a lot of work with bee energy and honey and the goddess. So, Kat, you found the perfect card. Thank you, Holy One. Oh, that's beautiful. May every day be buzzing with joy and happiness, with gratitude and honey. Kat. That's beautiful. Thank you, Kat. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. Oh, I'm gonna put it on right now. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Oh, Kat. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it, Kat. Thank you. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Holy One. And there's a package in here. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Oh, this is so beautiful. So this is honey from, it's all in Spanish, I believe here, but this is in Mexico. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Holy One. Thank you. Oh, it's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I feel like I'm getting a hug from Kat right now. Thank you, Holy One. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you. Beautiful. All right, let's see. Let's see. This one came in from beautiful Amy. Let's see what beautiful Amy sent. Oh, it smells wonderful right away. I can smell it. How beautiful. Let's see, there's a card. Oh, it's beautifully handwritten here. Happy birthday, beautiful. Above is an oil I purchased in Sedona while there with you at the retreat. Take me back. Oh. I know. We're going back. We're going back. We're going to do it again this year, Amy. Amy's on the destination event planning committee. So thank you, Amy. Thank you. Hopefully the scent can still be found when this reaches you. It does. It smells beautiful. It's taking me into that moment as well. I had originally intended to send these goodies off for Christmas, but life got busy and it didn't happen, which was a fun alignment after listening to your the podcast about the holiday. Oh yes. And then Eileen, I learned it. Oh, and then I learned it is your birthday. Oh my goodness. on the 12th day of Christmas, Epiphany, Three Kings Day, and the Feast of Lights. Wow, what a very special day to be born on. No coincidences at all. Please enjoy these and feel my gratitude and love. Brightest blessings unto you, Holy One. Love, Amy. Oh my goodness, Amy. You're gonna make me cry. Oh, your words are the gift. Your words, your presence, your being. Thank you, Amy. Thank you, Holy One, for all you are in this space. All right. I'll open the box. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. All right, again, here we go. A bee, the sticker, a bee. Oh, I love it, Amy. And a buffalo. Amy knows I love buffalo. I have a painting back on my altar of myself inside of a buffalo. I have really deep connections to that energy. Thank you, Amy. These are awesome. I love stickers too. Who doesn't, right? Oh my goodness. And this, oh, this is lovely. Moisturizing goat milk lotion. Ooh, I love it. I love it. That's lovely. You know, when I was a baby, all I could drink was goat's milk. I couldn't do the formulas or whatever. So that's interesting as well. And this is for my birthday. Oh, Joy. I love that. Its name is Oh, Joy. Oh, they smell divine. Wonderful. Oh, so comforting and loving. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, this is beautiful, Amy. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. You know how I am about these. I can just see this one. Look at this colors. Oh, I love the colors. How beautiful. Love the print with the diamonds. Oh my gosh, Amy, that reminds me of the Acasma star. The center of the Acasma star and our beautiful diamond healing technique in Acasma. Oh, I love it. I love it. Did you notice the diamonds? Or did you just like the color? I know you noticed it all. This is gorgeous, Amy. Really beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so loved. Kat and Amy. Boy, I'm covered with love. Thank you, Holy Ones. I'm so blessed. I love you all so dearly, so dearly. You're so good to me. We are such a beautiful family of light, a beautiful Acasma family of light. Thank you for being here. Thank you. I have one more package. This one I ordered. So would you like to see what I ordered? These creations are from Luminous by Nature. Oh, how lovely. Right away, there's this beautiful flower card. Beautiful, beautiful Jenna. She's on IG. I'll put her information here. Says, I love and miss you, Andrea. Oh, my love, Jenna. I love you too, Jenna. And I miss you. You come to one of the events this year, Jenna. Jenna came to our Sedona event. Amy came to our Sedona event. Kat came to our Sedona event. Everybody who sent me something or I ordered from here today all came to the Sedona event. I love it. And Amy, Jenna has this wrapped so beautifully. If you go and purchase from her site, she's a lovely being who makes her own creations, and they're fantastic. They're infused with this beautiful higher dimensional light energy of love. So let's see what we have in here. So this is her Luminous by Nature Magnesium Vanilla Bean Body Cream. It's really, I don't have the vanilla bean yet. I had her other one. Oh, Jenna, that's lovely. That's beautiful. And let's see. Oh, these are my sprays. Yes, look how pretty these are all wrapped. So she also makes this spray that I was really interested in. I'm going to be using it in ceremony and in my work, my energy work. Oh, I love that, Jenna. You put a beautiful feather upon here to charm. So this is her liquid smudge. Luminous by nature, liquid, smudge, crystalline energy, cleansing, and ceremony mist. Oh, I didn't even know it said that. I was drawn to it for ceremony. So it's liquid smudge. I love sage. Beautiful. Love it. Love it. All right, we have a bunch of those. And then we have this Luminous by Nature aloe vera hemp body lotion. Did I order this? Is this a gift, Jenna? This is beautiful. If it is, thank you so very, very much. Oh my goodness. I don't recall ordering this. I think this might be a gift. Let's see. Oh, that feels nice. That feels very nice. Jenna, I love that. Let me smell this now. Let's see. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's different. It's very fresh, very light, natural and comforting. Oh, that's lovely. So this is soft and cozy aloe vera hemp body lotion. It's beautiful. Beautiful, Jenna. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. All right, I think I opened this correctly. I have 4 of these. So I bought 4 of these. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, holy ones. All right. Thank you for being in this space with me. Thank you for allowing me to share it with you. Thank you for all of the beauty that you bring to my life. We are here for this. Yes, Holy One. We are here to be this unit, this family, this light. And we are bringing it, anchoring it into our own individual lives. Yes, our higher understanding, our remembrance of who we are. And we are allowing that to flood through the collective. Yarakoaye yao toa nabreki hanateki awa. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you to Kat. Thank you to beautiful Amy. Thank you to Jenna. Thank you to all of you who reach out. I had some donations come in this week. Julie, thank you, Julie. Zach, thank you, Zach. Jake, thank you, Jake. Thank you for the donations. Everything that I receive with the greatest amount of gratitude, and it humbles me and honors. I feel great honor in my heart that you are grateful for the work I do. So thank you. Thank you. Unending blessings upon you, Holy One. Unending.